button here and it swivels.
Wow.
So when you are sitting charging, you can play a game or you can watch a movie, which is kind of cool. And then when you're driving, it swivels back. And I think this is also because this is better for the actual usability of the vehicle. You can reach all the corners when it's in this position versus the other position. We have designed everything here, even the icons we designed. You can configure this around. Up here you got the ADAS for the self-driving, and down, and then of course you have the different things that you can do in the car. Of course you got the big map, and down here you have your music, and then on the very bottom you still have normal. You can see here you have normal buttons that you can use, because these are the buttons you use every day. So you want to be able to quickly do something here, like move up and down the sound or move up and down the here. Then of course you got your different apps in here.